activity or production. They're usually short-term interventions targeted. But I want to try and appeal to the nation that we should not become a nation that thrives on subsidies, because they can be very expensive to maintain. Funding of subsidies can be very, very dangerous if your economy cannot sustain it. And a classic example was the subsidy around the petroleum sector. Mr. Chairman, as I speak here, I was the one who actually removed price controls when we were liberalizing the economy, even on petroleum products. And price controls were also a hidden way of trying to introduce subsidies on petroleum products then. And we used to have shortages of petroleum products because people were playing around with that kind of economic regime. So if we want to go forward, we must be very, very careful that subsidies do not become a permanent feature of our economic policy. That is what I would advise, and that is what I'll advise the President and advise the Kenyans on this matter, that we must find better ways in the long run of spurring economic growth and activity so that people can move away from that. And key is to make sure that inflation is tamed. Because the whole issue of subsidies is because somebody feels that something is not affordable. So they're